In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can keep your first row visible with this trick right here in Google Sheets. So when you're working on a spreadsheet, let's say a common problem that you encounter whenever dealing with a big data set is that your headers keep disappearing on you, especially when you scroll down and try to read the rest of your data. Well, here's a trick that will help you put those headers in place and stay visible even as you scroll down through your data. So what do? We actually freeze our first row. So the first row of our data set is where our headers are located. And to freeze this row, to keep it visible every time you scroll up or down, would be to freeze it. And to freeze your rows, what we're going to do is to select that first row by just clicking on the number on the left side. There you have it. Then go to View here in the menu bar and select Freeze. Here we have the option to freeze no rows, 1 row, 2 rows, or up to row 1. So I can either select 1 row or up to row 1. Either way, it will just result to freezing our first row right here. So once we click on that, you'll see that this gray line has moved down from the top. So that actually allows us to freeze our rows at the top. So now, if I try and scroll down, you'll see that my first row stays visible and it stays in place. Whether I keep scrolling to the very bottom of my data right here, it does stay in place. There you have it. So that's a very neat trick that you can do, especially when you're just trying to make sure that you are reading your data correctly. And another way for you to freeze your rows, if I undo that, would be to simply go to this part right here. So that's the thick gray line right above your row number 1. You have your cursor changed into this different type of cursor. What you're going to do is to click on that. Now it's grabbing that bar. Now we're going to drag it down to the end of that first row, release, and we have done the same thing of freezing our first row. So again, if I scroll up or down, our first row, which is our headers, stay in place. And that's your quick trick on how to keep your first row visible right here in Google Sheets. And if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.